Chargeback app get cancel and refund subscriptions. So this is very useful app, just to manage your subscriptions. Um, it's like the best thing on the App Store. And you can got some money back. Is the app for managing a subscription, cancel and refund unwanted subscriptions, hassle free, lower financial stress, and regain control of finances. Did you accidentally sign up for a subscription you didn't want? No worries. Chargeback makes it effortlessly to cancel subscription with just a few taps. Say goodbye to the hassle of navigating through multiple apps or websites to cancel a subscription. Chargeback simplifies the process and helps you reclaim control over your finances. Chargeback also helps you request funds for eligible subscriptions. Our built-in refund feature optimizes the refund process, make it seamless and hassle-free. See your spend, manage cash, and all of these things. So then, just open up the app, and then you can create an account with Apple, Google, or email. So then I just create with Apple ID, and then you can just proceed from here. They want to enable notifications. So just select your goals, what I want to do with this app. Prevent fraud, get refunds, monitor transactions, cancel subscriptions, save money. So I want to cancel my subscriptions. And then you can just connect your card either with, Apple Pay or just with your number. And then this app will automatically identify subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, whatever. And then, you can cancel subscriptions from here, or, you can even get refunds. So that's basically the idea.